I'm Dave from Riva Racing. Today I'm going to walk you through some performance modifications for the 4-stroke Yamaha SuperJet. Yamaha left us with a blank slate when it came to the factory graphics, so we worked closely with IPD to develop this exclusive licensed graphics package for the 4-stroke SuperJet. The kits are available in a variety of colors. We use the finest quality vinyls that are UV protective, and all of the pieces of the kit are die cut so they fit perfectly to the contours of the hull. Now let's take a look at our upgrades to the steering and controls. This is our ProLite billet aluminum steering system. Our system is constructed out of the finest materials. It's CNC machined, all stainless steel hardware, has an adjustable mounting point for your steering cable, which gives you quick steer capabilities. The factory system consists mostly of plastic parts, plastic bushings that have a lot of play in them. Our system is precision machined and gives you a much more precise feel in the handlebars. The steering clamps are designed to accept a 1 1/8 inch fat bar, and we offer both a 0 degree and a 4 degree bend. We're using 130 millimeter ODI grips, which are secured by our billet aluminum end cap and grip clamp, which are available in a variety of colors. We've replaced the bulky plastic factory throttle assembly with our precision machined aluminum throttle assembly, which uses all stainless steel hardware and has fantastic ergonomics. Taking a look under the hood, we've done a number of engine modifications to produce more power. We've reflashed the factory ECU, or engine control unit, for optimal power. This gives us more fuel delivery, better timing, increased rev limit, and we've done that very easily using our handheld programmer, which is called the MaptunerX. The MaptunerX plugs into your engine with a simple cable, and very quickly and easily you can retune your ECU for maximum power delivery. We've replaced the bulky factory air intake system with our Riva power filter. The power filter fits in here beautifully, has this aluminum bracket that holds all your factory electronics, including the factory ECU. We have our engine breather catch can here, so any hot air or oil vapor from your engine crankcase goes into this catch can instead of your air intake system, which produces more power. We have a large, actually oversized stainless steel air intake filter, which feeds directly into your throttle body. And notice the air filter is located safely up away from the bilge, very high and dry, away from a water source. This really cleans up the engine compartment. Moving to the back of your engine compartment, we've removed your plastic, bulky sound suppression system and replaced it with our free flow exhaust system. The free flow exhaust system gives you reduced back pressure, a better exhaust tone, and more torque and low-end power. Our pump and handling modifications include the Solas 1217 Impeller. This is a variable pitch stainless steel impeller that is matched perfectly to the engine modifications on the SuperJet. It gives us more RPM, which increases torque and top speed. In addition to the impeller, we've replaced the ride plate with our Riva ride plate, Riva top loader intake grate, and the Riva billet aluminum sponsons. Top speed on a stock 4-stroke Yamaha SuperJet is about 55 miles an hour. The way this ski is set up, we have a top speed of 60 miles an hour with awesome acceleration and mid-range pull, making it a lot more fun to ride. Thanks for watching this product video. Be sure to check out rivaracing.com and follow @Riva Racing for the latest on products and innovations for the new Yamaha SuperJet.